What sets apart successful sales professionals from the rest of their struggling pack? The answer lies in the power of a well-crafted sales methodology. Sales methodology is the backbone of successful selling. At its core, a sales methodology is a systematic approach that outlines steps, techniques, and strategies to effectively engage with prospects, build relationships, and close deals. Download this custom-made PPT template to implement the relevant sales methodology to understand your prospects' pain points and provide them with high-end solutions. This premium PPT presentation highlights popular sales methodologies. The idea is to help sales professionals dive deep into the needs, pain points, and goals of their prospects. By adopting these customer-centric approaches, salespersons can tailor their messaging and solutions to address challenges and foster trust and rapport. Spin selling is a four-stage process where a salesperson asks a set of questions to the prospect. These questions help gather information about customers' pain points, processes, competitive plans, and much more. Need selling focuses on listening and understanding first. It helps you understand your prospects' needs while eliminating those who would not be a good fit for your solution. Grab this premium presentation to identify and choose the right sales methodology for your organization. MEDDPICC selling is a sales methodology that is used to sell a complex product or service. It stands for metrics, economic buyer, decision criteria, decision process, paper process, identify pain, champion, and competition. Conceptual selling is when a seller persuades the buyer to buy a concept rather than a product. It provides you with a framework for companies that value customer satisfaction and want to make repeat sales in a specialized market. Other sales methodologies such as inbound selling, target account selling, gap selling, and more turn your goals into actionable steps for your reps to complete the sales process. A sales methodology promotes regular evaluation of leads, prioritization of opportunities, and effective time management. Use this pre-designed PowerPoint presentation to empower sales professionals to become trusted advisors rather than mere salespeople.